Are you seeing that frustrating? This channel can't be displayed message in Telegram or Nicegram when you try to join certain groups or channels. You're definitely not alone. Telegram uses a content filter that can block what it sees as sensitive groups or channels. But don't worry, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you a proven step-by-step fix for this issue, using a simple setting change. By the end, you'll be able to unblock those hidden channels in Nicegram and access the content you want safely and easily. Let's get started right away. The key to resolving this issue lies in Telegram's sensitive content filter, which is sometimes enabled by default. Here, how to disable it so you can view all channels, even those Telegram flags as restricted. First, open up your web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you like. Head to the official Telegram website. It's important to do this from a browser, not the app, because web settings offer a bit more flexibility. Once you're on the Telegram website, log in with your account details just as you would in the app. If this is your first time accessing Telegram through the web, Telegram might send you a login code via the app or through your phone, so have that handy. Once you're logged in, look up to the top left corner of the Telegram web page. You'll spot a menu icon which looks like 3 stacked lines, sometimes called a hamburger icon. Give that a click. From the menu that slides out, choose Settings. It's right near the top, easy to find. Now you'll land on the Settings window with lots of options. What you need is privacy and security, so scroll down until you see it. This section controls your privacy preferences and account safety, and also includes the sensitive content filter we'll be adjusting. Keep scrolling down under privacy and security until you find something labeled sensitive content. Now this is the critical part. Here you'll see a checkbox for disable filtering. By checking this box, you're telling Telegram not to block channels or groups just because they're flagged as sensitive or restricted. This single action will unblock most channels that previously showed this channel can't be displayed. Give that box a click so a checkmark appears. After you've disabled the filter, there's one more step to make sure the change takes effect everywhere, including in your Nicegram app. Close and restart the Nicegram app entirely. You can swipe it away and relaunch it, or just fully close and reopen it. This refreshes the app and reloads your Telegram settings, so you'll see the updated permissions right away. And that's it. If you revisit those channels or groups in Nicegram, you should now be able to access them without any trouble. If you still see the message, double-check that the filter box stayed unchecked and give the app another restart. Sometimes it takes a moment for the servers to catch up. So to sum up, by disabling the sensitive content filter in Telegram settings via the browser, you unlock restricted channels in Nicegram and get around the "this channel can't be displayed" error. If you ever have doubts about safety or privacy, remember that you're always in control of your Telegram experience, and you can re-enable the filter anytime. I hope this walkthrough helped you fix the issue. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any other questions or if the problem isn't solved, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tech fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching.